Look at this. My AI agent is testing proxies all by itself. I haven't touched a single thing. Now, in my last video, I showed you how to set up OpenClaw inside Termux. But this time, there's no Termux, no self-hosting, and no complicated setup process. Let me show you exactly how. First, open the KiloClaw website and click Start Free Trial. Next, select Continue with Email, enter your email address, and complete the verification process using the link sent to your inbox. Once your email is verified, you'll be logged in and ready to continue with the setup. Once setup finishes, it redirects you to a chat interface. This is where you run your agent. Now go to Settings and tap Open Control UI. This is your OpenClaw dashboard. From here, you can manage existing sessions and create new ones. Go back to Settings and scroll down. You will see a default model option. KiloClaw gives you access to a wide range of AI models, so feel free to choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've selected a model, scroll down a bit further until you find the messaging channel settings. This is where you connect services like Telegram. Go to Telegram and search for BotFather. Use it to create a new bot by following the instructions on the screen. Once the setup is complete, BotFather will provide you with a bot API token. Copy that token and paste it into the Telegram configuration field here. Next, redeploy your agent to apply the changes. When the deployment is complete, open your Telegram bot and tap Start to begin interacting with it. The final step is approving the Telegram session. Head back to the OpenClaw settings and approve the pairing request. Once that's done, everything is connected and ready to go. You can now start chatting with your AI agent directly through Telegram. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools, automation workflows, and step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.